Alright, we finna do
the Cinnamon Challenge.
pay no attention to him.
He's a mutt.
Alright, ain't gonna be filming, so here you go. Make sure you get his face expressions. Alright,
The Cinnamon Challenge.
this probably ain't gonna be like near enough.
Ready?
It's supposed to be like a teaspoonful, but this is all we got, so.
Alright, guys, you ready? This is that real cinnamon.
Bro, you ready? Hold on. Spit. Spit. No. No,
I know
no.
you were cheating. Fine, give me it.
Alright. I can say, alright, get ready.
Don't.
Okay.
Why you drop the cup? You gonna need more. Okay. Bro, come here. You gonna need more. Why you spit?
Keep drinking. Why you stopping? Swallow. Don't spit it out. You need to get it down. You need to get it down.
You alright?
I got this. I got it all. I got it all. I